We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users say about the MUSICOZY Bluetooth headphones earmuffs. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. The MUSICOZY Bluetooth headphones earmuffs stand out as a unique blend of winter warmth and wireless audio technology, designed for those who want to stay connected and entertained while braving the cold. This product is positioned as a solution for outdoor enthusiasts, commuters, and anyone needing both ear protection and music on the go. With a focus on comfort, sound quality, and practicality, these earmuffs aim to deliver a seamless experience for users in cold environments. Starting with the design, the MUSICOZY earmuffs feature a reflow-style thermal construction that effectively retains warmth, preventing heat loss from the neck and ears. The earmuffs are padded with thick, high-end cotton, offering a soft and luxurious feel against the skin. Users consistently highlight the immediate warmth provided, noting that their ears are comfortably insulated within minutes of wearing. The earmuffs are lightweight yet durable, and the inclusion of a sturdy internal wire allows for some manual adjustment, enabling users to achieve a tighter or looser fit as needed. However, some reviewers mention that the fit may not be secure enough for everyone, particularly for those with smaller or average-sized heads. The lack of a secondary support wire at the back means that during vigorous activities like running, the earmuffs can occasionally slip or feel loose. This is more pronounced for users with larger heads who find the fit more accommodating, while others may need to pair the earmuffs with a hood or beanie for added stability. In terms of audio performance, the MUSICOZY Bluetooth earmuffs are surprisingly competent. Many users admit to initial skepticism regarding the sound quality, given the dual-purpose nature of the product. However, the consensus is that the audio output exceeds expectations, especially for a product in this category. The sound profile delivers satisfying bass and clear mids, making music playback enjoyable. While the earmuffs do not match the fidelity of high-end, dedicated headphones, they outperform many budget wireless earbuds and headphones in the same price range. The earmuffs also provide a reasonable degree of passive noise isolation. When music is played at higher volumes, external sounds are effectively muffled, and there is minimal sound leakage, ensuring privacy for the listener and minimal disturbance to those nearby. Bluetooth connectivity is another strong point. The earmuffs pair quickly with any Bluetooth-enabled device within a 33-foot range, and users report stable connections with minimal dropouts. Media controls are integrated, allowing for easy adjustment of volume and playback without removing the earmuffs. The built-in microphone supports hands-free calls, and while music clarity is praised, some users note that call quality is less impressive. The microphone is adequate for short conversations, but it does not offer the same level of clarity as dedicated Bluetooth headsets, especially in windy or noisy outdoor conditions. Battery life is a standout feature. The MUSICOZY earmuffs utilize an eco-friendly E5 battery that provides up to 14 hours of continuous use on a single 2-hour charge. This endurance is highly valued by users who spend extended periods outdoors, such as during long walks, commutes, or snow-related activities. Several reviewers mention that they have only needed to charge the earmuffs a handful of times over several months of use, thanks to the long-lasting battery and the automatic shut-off feature when music is paused for extended periods. The earmuffs come with a USB-C charging port, but accessing it can be cumbersome. The Bluetooth module is securely housed within the earmuffs, which prevents it from moving around during use but makes it difficult to remove for charging. Users must extract the module from a tight compartment, which can be challenging, especially for those with larger hands. Reinserting the module after charging is equally tricky, and the instructions do not provide clear guidance on this process. This design choice, while ensuring the module stays in place during use, is a recurring point of frustration. Comfort is a recurring theme in user feedback. The earmuffs are praised for their soft, plush ear cups that envelop the ears in warmth. The material is gentle against the skin, making the earmuffs suitable for prolonged wear. However, the same insulating properties that make them ideal for cold weather can lead to overheating if worn in milder temperatures. Users caution against wearing the earmuffs in conditions above 40 degrees Fahrenheit, as the lack of breathability can cause excessive sweating. The earmuffs are not recommended for gym use or intense indoor activities, as they are designed primarily for outdoor winter environments. Durability and build quality are generally regarded as strong points. The earmuffs hold up well to regular outdoor use, with no significant reports of wear or damage over several months. The product includes a carrying bag for storage, which some users find useful, although many simply store the earmuffs in a coat pocket. The overall construction feels robust, and the materials used are of good quality for the price point. The MUSICOZY earmuffs are marketed as suitable for a wide range of users, including adults, teenagers, and seniors. They are positioned as an excellent gift for birthdays and holidays, appealing to men, women, and young people who enjoy outdoor activities such as skiing, biking, hiking, running, and walking the dog. The product is ranked highly among women's earmuffs and has garnered a solid average rating from thousands of customers. Despite the many positives, there are areas where the earmuffs could be improved. The most significant issue is the fit, particularly for users with smaller heads. The lack of adjustability and clamping force means that the earmuffs may not stay securely in place during vigorous movement. The large, flat ear cups also contribute to a somewhat bulky appearance, which some users find unappealing. The instructions included with the product are another weak point. They are poorly translated and lack clear explanations for key functions, such as removing the Bluetooth module for charging or preparing the earmuffs for washing. Although the earmuffs are advertised as washable, users are left uncertain about how to safely remove the electronics before cleaning. Another minor drawback is the performance of the microphone during calls. While music playback is impressive, call clarity is only average, and the microphone struggles in challenging environments. For those who prioritize call quality, these earmuffs may not be the best choice. On the positive side, the MUSICOZY earmuffs deliver on their core promises. They keep ears warm in cold weather, provide enjoyable audio playback, and offer long battery life with reliable Bluetooth connectivity. The product is especially well suited for outdoor winter activities where both warmth and entertainment are desired. The earmuffs are easy to pair with devices, and the controls are straightforward, allowing users to manage music and calls without exposing their ears to the cold. In summary, the MUSICOZY Bluetooth headphones earmuffs are a practical and innovative solution for those seeking warmth and wireless audio in one package. They excel in providing comfort, warmth, and surprisingly good sound quality for their class. The long battery life and stable Bluetooth connection make them a reliable companion for winter outings. While there are some design flaws, particularly regarding fit and charging convenience, these are outweighed by the overall performance and value offered. The earmuffs are best suited for users with larger heads or those who do not engage in high-intensity activities while wearing them. For anyone looking for a thoughtful winter gift or a personal upgrade for cold weather listening, the MUSICOZY earmuffs are a strong contender. If you have used this product, please share your experience in the comments to help others make informed choices. Remember, the product link is in the description, and using it helps support the channel.